Speaking of the world of cricket, this is a very positive and happy news that we will be sharing with you right here. After history being etched in Harare yet again by our boys in blue, it is the under-19 world champions who have returned, and these are live visuals coming in from Mumbai. At this point of time, you can see the crowd which is gathered outside the airport.
के अंदर ले जाया जा रहा है और ये आप कह सकते हैं कि इस वक्त हमारी फ्रेम में आप देख रहे हैं वैभव सूर्यवंशी यहाँ पर मौजूद है। टीम इंडिया वर्ल्ड कप जीतकर वापस लौटी है मुंबई। कैमरा पर्सन साहिल चांद के साथ मुस्तफा शेख आज तक।
The 19 team has etched history for us, winning the World Cup title again and lifting that trophy again. And post that very win, this is them returning home after scripting history in Harare. We're being joined by our colleagues from right outside the airport, where they are in fact bringing us all the latest details of the team already having arrived in Mumbai. It's a jam-packed schedule for them, of course, after this, wherein they will be making tours, information of which we will shortly get. But right now, let me just quickly listen into what exactly is being shared by our colleague there. Mustafa, if you can hear me, just to get a pulse of what's happening outside the airport there in Mumbai as the team reaches India.
Yes, the team has reached Mumbai airport. You will see players outside Mumbai airport. There's a huge crowd which has gathered out here in Mumbai to welcome the team. As you can see in the frame that Vaibhav Suryavanshi is present, many other players have left, but yes, a huge crowd, a big moment for India, especially the youngsters. And after winning the match against England, they have come back, and in Mumbai, UKCI, they are getting big celebration. The captain of the under-19 is also from Mumbai. He'll be getting a great welcome in the area of Vasai, where he's from Ayush Matre. So many other players, young players present here. It's a moment of glory for them, which can be seen here in Mumbai airport. And you can say that once again the Under-19 World Cup has come to India. Is something of a big celebration, and hence we are getting to see a huge crowd present here celebrating and welcoming our young stars back to you.
Very true, Mustafa. It is the Under-19 team that's back. If you could just take us through what's in store in the itinerary for the team at this point of time. This is them just coming back home after that very victory. What more are we looking forward to in terms of where all will they be traveling?
Well, see, we can say in a way that it's a month of cricket which is going on in India. At one point, there is the World Cup T20 being played in India and Sri Lanka. There are many matches scheduled here in Mumbai also. There is a felicitation ceremony which is to be organized by the BCCI. It will happen soon is what we are expecting for these young players. But as of now, they'll be going to their respective homes, is what we hear, and their big celebration awaits them. It's the future of Indian cricket, which we are seeing right now in front of our eyes. So there is a lot to come, and the BCCI will also organize the event, is what we are hearing. But as of now, these young stars will be going towards their houses, their homes. Vaibhav Suryavanshi, once again, we can see, as you can see, that live outside the Mumbai airport. And because he is also, there is elated with the huge crowd and response. He's getting outside. The CISF is also trying to pacify him and trying to manage the crowd so that he can be taken in the vehicle once. Since
well, those are the details, viewers, that we are getting for you from the Mumbai airport at this point of time, where the team has landed, and we'll keep a very close watch on how the team, in fact, or where the team proceeds after this. But we are ending this very particular bulletin with these very visuals. Thank you for tuning in to India Today.